Guys, I'm using my Canon. You can see the sunset over there. It's like fire. I'm using my Canon ZR200 MiniDV camcorder. Now, unfortunately, here's Owen. Just being a good boy. Think who wants to go inside. Here's Olivia. Now, the USB port does not transfer data, so unfortunately what I have to do, can I like turn down the exposure? Oh no. I guess not. Yeah, so the only way I can transfer videos is with the DV port. So I have a DV Firewire cable. And I have a DV Firewire to, I think it's Firewire 200 to Firewire 400, and I need like a Firewire 400 to Firewire 400 female to Firewire 800 male, and I also need a Firewire 800 female to Thunderbolt 3 Thunderbolt 2 mini display port. I already have a Thunderbolt 2 to Thunderbolt 3. However, it's a third-party brand. It's not an Apple brand, so I don't know if it'll work. Well, hopefully it does, because it seems to work with my monitor. It seems to work pretty well. So I think once I get the adapter, I might be able to upload videos. However, I will have to spend a lot of money. Yeah, well, it's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy.